Welcome everyone to My Future Success. You guys, thank you so much to all of my followers so far. I'm sorry I've been gone for a while. I actually just had my first child, a baby girl named Sophie. It has been the most craziest but most fun time this last year, but I am back at it and I am here to show you guys on a weekly basis exactly how I trade the E-mini futures, or specifically any stock or market that you want to, using these metrics that we have on our chart to become successful in the market. Now, starting probably this week, I'm going to be doing some live trading here on YouTube to show you an example, specifically examples that you can follow to understand the metrics I'm looking at so you yourself can actually do this on your own. Now, I love this strategy. So if you guys are like me, I don't have a lot of time in the day. I do have a day job. I end up actually owning a restaurant and a brewery, but on the side, I love to day trade. And more importantly, I love to teach people how to trade and to pull out a couple $100s in the market, let's say in the morning or in the afternoon if you guys have some time. So if you're following this channel, if you haven't been following this channel, I want you to click follow and put the bell icon on, because I'm going to be giving you guys the best content I can possibly give you to learn how to trade and to find amazing entries like these on our charts and describe exactly why these signals are populated. There's a lot of buy and sell signal indicators that are out there that just give you the buy and sell, but this dashboard down here is going to give you all the metrics that you need to know in the market to understand what's actually happening behind these signals. Now, if you guys haven't done so already, you can actually get all of these in either the description, or you can just head over to myfuturesuccess.com. Now, you guys, this is the website, myfuturesuccess.com. This will give you access to everything here that I'm doing. If you just want to click I want this will give you guys access right away. We do have a private Discord where all of our members use these metrics to end up trading either stocks, crypto, forex, whatever you're into, options trading as well. But I want you guys to take a look at the comments and reviews. But before you do that, I don't want you to tell you just go and do this right away. I want you to see the success that I'm going to be giving to you. If you feel you're confident and you can take this on yourself right away, please do head over there. I'd love to say hi to you. I will do shout outs on everyone who are joining our team. But again, this is just myfuturesuccess.com. But let's go back over here to the charts. This is the E-mini futures. Now, like I said to you guys, I will be doing some live examples on the right side here. I'll actually have my Tradovate account populated here in the next couple days. But to start off with, let's just go over the metrics that are on our chart. What are we actually looking at? So you can get the education and understanding to start. So when I'm doing these videos, you'll be like, I can do that. I know what you're looking at now. I can replicate that myself. So you guys, first thing on the top here, this is going to be an advanced linear regression that I have populated over here. If we go to the settings, this is going to populate the last 100 candles, and that's going to tell me exactly the trend of the market based on the past 100 candles. Now, of course, we all know the silly saying, but it's true, trading with the trend is your friend. So if we're heading in that bullish market momentum, we do want to have our buy signals illuminated. We don't necessarily want to be going against the grain. So having buy signals illuminated, we're able to get into some great entries here on our chart. Now, every single one of these ended up panning out for either a slight profit or a fairly decent profit here, trading on, this is the 1 minute time frame. And you guys, I specifically will be trading on the 1 to 2 minute time frame because I want to show you how to easily scalp out either a point or a half a point or 2 points in the market, trading with between 2 to 4 lots on the futures, which will equate to about $100 to $200 each time within a matter of minutes of trading. Now let's go down here on this dashboard and I'll show you all the metrics that are actually playing out when these signals are illuminated. So let's take a look at this one right here. Let's buy signal. What has to happen for this buy signal to be illuminated? Well, there's a couple things. One, this white line is going to show you either money that's flowing into the market, that's when price likes to increase, or money's flowing out of the market, you guys can tell that's when price is decreasing. So if money's flowing into the market, that's our first sign. Number two, you're going to have these green and red dots. Now these are going to be key EMA crossovers, specifically coded into this dashboard down here to say this is another key metric to be looking for a continuation upwards. So if you have money flowing in, if you have a green dot, which is a key EMA crossover, that's 1 and 2. The third is this middle band, which is going to overall tell you the overall market momentum within this designated time frame. So let's take a look right here. If we start with this first green dot and we go over to this one here, this was solid green. Now let's go to our chart. This is telling you to get into a trade and to stay within a trade until you get to a point where you start turning red, which is when price can then typically start decreasing the other way. So in a sense, you can look at this as entry, exit, or if you're going short, short entry, Turned over to green, short exit. That's where you can be looking to capitalize not only on longs, but the shorts. So taking into account those three metrics on the chart down here, this is when you're going to be getting buy signals illuminated. Now you can tell this isn't standard candles. This is Hiekin Ashi. You can still use this on standard candles, but I like to do the Hiekin Ashi candles because it's going to smooth out. It's going to take out a lot of the blur and the nonsense in the market, and to tell you exactly when you have nice bullish candles or bearish candles in the market to be able to have good entries. So guys, that is it. This is all I'm going to be using on the chart to show you guys live examples each week that I'm going to be trading here. I will let you guys know, to be completely honest, I have live trading accounts that I trade on myself for this intended purpose only. When I show you guys throughout the week, I'm going to be trading on a demo account just to make it easier, just so I can log in quick, log out. I will still actually show you guys the profit and loss of everything that's going on, but I want to be transparent with you here and tell you guys exactly what I'll be doing. So this is a live look. You guys can actually go back right now. This is 11:39, and today is actually May 2nd. So if you populate your charts, when you go over to My Future Succuss and you download this, I want you to go over to this time. Of course, you won't be able to see this linear regression right away because this is based on the past 100 candles, but I want you to actually see these exact entries that I'm looking at right here for yourself. So in the meantime, until you get another video, I am planning on doing videos at least 3 to 5 times a week showing exact entries on Tradovate, literally clicking the buy button and clicking the sell button and showing how to take out $100, $200 in the market so you can replicate this yourself. Again, the Discord that we provide is a complimentary Discord. I do have quite a few traders in there that are just really good. Honestly, guys, I have a $1.6 million funded futures trader named CJ that is absolutely incredible, and we've actually had 5 to 6 other members just in this last month qualify for either $150,000 to $500,000 funded accounts through Apex, and it's just incredible. I am excited for those guys. I'm so excited. The most, I guess, fun thing I can say with this, you guys, is to actually see someone come into our team that either doesn't know a lot about trading or someone who is very experienced, and to be able to get the education knowledge and be like, I can do that. I want someone to be able to look at a chart and be like, I can do exactly what Justin's saying here. I can do what these other members are doing, but have the confidence behind it. And if you guys have questions, ask questions. You will have personal access to my email. Email me anytime, honestly. Be like, hey, Justin, I'm having questions on this. My chart's not looking right. Help me get this set up. I'm there for you. I honestly am. There's a reason why when you go over to our website that we have a 5-star rating. It's because the customer service, you're dealing with myself directly and no one else. And I want to show you that. Take a look at this video here, how to make $200 a day. That's another video that I have on here. But just to look at a couple customer comments, bought in a couple weeks ago, made my money back in a single day. Now I'll tell you guys, was actually $249. I'm not going to lie. It was $249. This is down to $99 right now. I don't want this to be a thing where we're making tons and tons of money. Obviously, there's a cost to get into trading like this because there's a cost to doing metrics and creating a service and providing content like this. So yes, it is $99. It's not a monthly fee. It's a one-time, never monthly any fees, lifetime access to everything. So let's just look at another comment here. I have not lost a trade all day. With these indicators, I'm a Call of Duty trick shot sniper. I haven't played Call of Duty myself, you guys, but that is a hilarious comment. I could probably play it because it sounds like a lot of fun. Keep profits high and losers low. This was incredible, you guys. This is CJ, one of my top traders, 1,800% in the last month. That's just insane. Is it doable? It absolutely is, because if he's doing it, you can do it as well. Awesome. I've implemented your indicator in my strategy. I'm more successful now. Thanks. So take a look at the comments, you guys. I don't want to just throw this out here just to be like, go on it right away and join us. If you want to, again, I would really love for you to join our team. But again, myfuturesuccess.com. Thank you guys so much for watching this video. Please stay tuned. Again, if you haven't done so already, click the like and subscribe bell icon so when my videos come out each week, I'm going to show you exactly how I'm trading the futures market to make money and how you can do it alongside with us on your spare time. Have a great rest of your day and take care.